Capral is Australia's largest extruder and distributor of aluminium products. Capral's products are used in such a wide variety of applications that people wouldn't necessarily see in a truck that you see passing by or on a bus that you might be riding. We were founded in 1936 and we've been supplying aluminium to the Australian market for 90 years. Capral's the largest aluminium supplier in Australia. We've got 6 manufacturing plants in the major states of Australia. We employ over 1,000 staff. We've got 25 distribution sites servicing all of our customers. Because of its nature, aluminium is lightweight and strong. Its strength to weight ratio is what really makes a difference, and which is why it's used in such a wide variety of applications. Capral's primary input into the process is aluminium billet, which we source mainly from local smelters here in Australia. The end-to-end capability means that we're able to design a shape for a customer, we're able to produce a die to manufacture that shape, and we're also able to extrude it in a very short period of time. So being able to do that all here in Australia gives us the benefit of being able to supply our customers the products that they require in a relatively short lead time. Sustainability is at the heart of what we do. We take it very seriously. First of all, aluminium is infinitely recyclable, so we do recycle all of our scrap aluminium. We don't only just talk about the environment and the impact on the environment, but also about people. And employing people and contributing to the Australian economy and society is very important to us as an organisation. The major industries supply to are in building construction, whether it's residential homes or whether it's commercial construction and high-rise buildings. Our products are used also extensively in schools, hospitals, and a lot of government infrastructure projects. It's really important that customers can trust the origin of their product and the designs that we have in the market, which is why Capral puts so much emphasis on quality. We're ISO certified in terms of quality. We're also ASI certified, being the only one in Australasia to do that. That means that our customers can rely on our designs and the products that we supply them, that they meet the Australian standards. They're all tested in our test rigs before they go into market, and our technical people and our manufacturing people ensure that the products that we supply are compliant and are very high quality. The Australian-made logo represents what we do. We make it in Australia, and we've been doing it for 90 years. So it's important to our heart. We take pride in being a local manufacturer. Our customers value it. The products that we produce are high quality, reliable. It's good for the Australian economy, it's good for the Australian society. Look, it's really rewarding being an Australian manufacturer, a local manufacturer of aluminium, to see our products used in everyday life. From the schools that our children attend each day, to the buses that get them to school, to the trucks that move product around the countryside. It's really heartening to be involved as an Australian producer and see all the applications that our products end up in.